Two household names are joining forces, one for tissues, the other for headaches. CNN's Maribel Aber joins us now from the NASDAQ market site in New York. Hello, Maribel.
Hi, Chesley.
All right, talk to me about this massive move and how the markets are reacting to it.
Okay, Chesley, so the pharmaceutical company Kimberly-Clark will buy Tylenol maker Kenvue for nearly $49 billion. The early morning announcement sent Kenvue shares soaring 18% before the bell. Investors will be sort of looking to deals like this one to guide trading as federal economic reports remain paused due to the government shutdown. Also this week, the Supreme Court will weigh the legality of U.S. tariffs beginning on Wednesday. Let's see how that market is moving shortly at the open. We're mixed. So here at NASDAQ, we're up about 163. The Dow's down 74, but the S&P is up 14 points, Chesley.
I wonder if they'll come together where you can take a tissue, wipe your head, and it'll help your headache.
Stop a cold.
You know, just like that. We've got another Wall Street shakeup. OpenAI, they're talking about a huge IPO coming for them, right?
Chesley, OpenAI is laying the groundwork for an IPO that could value the company at up to $1 trillion. Reuters was first to report the news, citing 3 people familiar with the matter. It says OpenAI is considering filing with regulators as soon as the second half of 2026, with a possible listing in 2027. The IPO preparations signal a new urgency by the ChatGPT maker to tap public markets following its recent restructuring. The move would ease future efforts to raise capital and complete larger acquisitions, both of which are needed to support CEO Sam Altman's plans to pour trillions of dollars into the company's AI infrastructure. Chesley.
Okay, we'll wait for that. All right, Elon Musk has been promising for at least 8 years about a roadster. It finally may be hitting the roads.
He keeps saying now it's maybe happening, Chesley. Elon Musk says his next-gen Tesla Roadster is coming soon. He first promised the new vehicle 8 years ago, but since then there's been a series of production delays. Musk made his most recent promise on Joe Rogan's podcast Friday, saying he hopes to debut the Roadster before year's end. The Roadster aims to challenge vehicles like the Yangwang U9 Extreme, recently named the world's fastest production EV. Its top recorded speed is 308 miles per hour, while the next Roadster's top speed is testing reportedly around 250. Musk's latest comment came one day after former friend and OpenAI CEO Sam Altman posted on X that he's been trying to cancel his Roadster deposit since 2018. Just a little shade from Altman, Chesley. That deposit, by the way, that $50K deposit, one fan joked, they'd had their deposit down so long they could have paid off a Model 3 by now.
That's right. That's absolutely right. All right. Finally got a Big Mac might not be the only thing getting a roundup at McDonald's.
Okay, McDonald's, some other locations have started rounding cash transactions to the nearest nickel to deal with this growing penny shortage. For example, if a meal costs $12.02, it's rounded to $12.05. The U.S. Mint stopped circulating new pennies 2 months ago after production costs outweighed the coin's value. Other national chains like Kroger, Home Depot, and Quick Shop have also reported penny shortages. McDonald's says it feels its approach will keep things simple and fair for customers. The rounding only affects cash transactions, though, not credit card or cashless payments. You know, Chesley, here's the thing. Check out your pennies, because they could be worth more than you think. There are 2 apps that come to mind, CoinSnap and Coinioscope, because those rare ones, now that's some real money.
Oh, yeah. If they're not making them anymore, it's time. A penny saved is a penny earned, according to Ben Franklin.
There you go.
And so I'm going to start checking mine out and maybe putting them aside just to hold on to them, you know? A little longer. Yeah. We'll see. Maribel, thanks so much. Really appreciate you.
You got it.